Hello viewers, this is Neelam and welcome you all on Let's Know Science. In this video, we will talk about nutrition in ruminants. Have you ever seen cow, goat or buffalo sitting down under a shade and doing chewing? Yes, these are the examples of ruminants. Ruminants are the animal which bring the food from the stomach back into the mouth for chewing, and these animals are called ruminants. For example, cow, sheep, deer, giraffe, goat and buffalo etc. are the examples of ruminants. So they used to chew something in their mouth all the time, that is the food. Food they swallow first and it came back to their mouth which they again chew. That's why we always see these animals chewing most of the time. Next we will see the special features in the ruminants. As we all know, we have four kinds of teeth, that is incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Well, what is special in these ruminants? The ruminants don't have canines. Their incisors are more developed and premolar molar are flattened in shape, as it is shown in the figure. As you can see, they have incisors, premolars and molars. It means they don't have canines. The teeth are very helpful in mastication or chewing of food. So, this is the special feature in ruminants. Now we will talk about the digestion in ruminants. As we all know, ruminants are herbivores. What is herbivores? The animal that eat only plants are called herbivores. But they don't have capacity to digest cellulose. Cellulose? What is this cellulose? Cellulose is basically a complex type of carbohydrate found in the plant. So, they need to digest this cellulose, a special enzyme that is called cellulase, which converts this cellulose into a simple substance that is glucose. Have you ever noticed this cow and buffalo have a big stomach? Yes, because their stomach is divided into four chambers, that is rumen, reticulum, omasum and ovimasum. Now let's see how the food route they have in their stomach. First of all, we will see in the picture that when they eat grass or anything, it first enters into their mouth. From the mouth it goes into the rumen, and from the rumen it came back to their mouth, and from this mouth they chew the food and again it goes into the rumen. From the rumen it moves to the reticulum, and from reticulum it go to the omasum, and finally it moves to the ovimasum, and from ovimasum the absorption will happen and the food moves to the small intestine, then large intestine, and from colon to it passes the wastage through the anus. So this was the route of food in reticulum. Next we will see the structure and the digestion in ruminants. As I have told you, the first food will go into the mouth, and from mouth it goes into the rumen. In ruminants, half chewed grass travel from mouth to the first chamber of stomach, and the first chamber of stomach is called rumen, where it is acted by a bacteria and other microorganisms which digest the food and convert it into a paste that is called cud. This partially digested food is again sent back to the mouth, where it is mixed with the saliva and chewed thoroughly. Now from the mouth it again comes to the rumen, and now it again enters into the rumen, where digestion continues for some time. The enzyme called cellulase digests these cellulose into a simple substance that is called glucose. Now from the rumen, food moves to the reticulum. Reticulum is the second stomach where the food enters after the rumen. The enzyme produced by the bacteria act on it and digest the food into simple substance. Now the food is completely digested and it is sent to the third stomach, that is omasum. It is the third stomach of ruminant, where the absorption of food, water and bicarbonates take place. The food is now become concentrated and sent to the fourth stomach, that is ovimasum. Ovimasum is also known as the true stomach in the ruminants, where the digestive foods secreted by the liver and pancreas is released into the intestine and they digest the food further. The chamber of omasum is also considered as the true stomach, where digestion of food takes place as the glands secrete acid, and this acid kill the bacteria and also act on protein and convert it into simple substance, that is amino acid. Now the food is sent to the small intestine where digestion takes place. The digestive juices secreted by liver and pancreas is released in the small intestine, which help in the digestion, and the digested nutrients are absorbed here. So the absorption of food occurs in the ovimasum and small intestine. The water is absorbed in large intestine and the undigested food is excreted through the rectum and the anus. For a while the food stay in the rectum and after it passes through the anus. So this is all about the digestion and the structure of the ruminants. I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.